Hello my friends, how are you? I am teacher Oreste, the teacher of science and elementary technology. Welcome in my P4 class. Okay, today I have some pictures that I would like that you discuss about, even we will discuss about it. Here I have three pictures, first one, second one, and the third one. We are going to look at them a short bit and then you will tell me or you will answer my questions I will ask you. Let's get a look. Who can tell me the name of the first thing you see in a picture? Someone to tell me the name? Okay, thank you very much. That is a cat. Wow, bravo. This is a cat. And then the second one? Motorcycle? No, come on. What is this? The second one? Okay, this is a bicycle. Thank you. And then the last one. Someone to tell me the name. I need someone to tell me the name of the last one. The last one? A dustbin? Okay, come on. Okay, this is a basket. And I even have something here. I would like you to tell me. Do you see? Have a look. Do you see it clearly? Okay, I hope that everyone can see this. Who can tell me this one? What is its name? What is this? Come on, everyone. Okay, a toy. Thank you very much. It is a toy exactly. Then which toy? Which kind of toy is this one? Which kind of toy? This is a bicycle or a toy bicycle. So today we are going to see the unity number 2 called the object production. In this unity, I wish you or I want you that after you will be able to make your own objects using local materials and maintain them properly. And today we are going to see making toys using wires. We are going to see how can we make toys using wires on this lesson, making a toy bicycle using wires. You can see that here I have my already made toy bicycle and we are going to produce another one like this. We are going to produce another toy bicycle like this one using the materials that are locally available. The first thing we have to use is the wires. We have to use what? Wires, and these wires must be flexible. You can see that they are soft. I can bend them easily as I want. And the second thing that we will need is a wire cutter. Something that will help us to cut wires. And you can see here I have my pliers. I have pliers for cutting wires. Let's go. Step number 1, I have told you we will use 2 materials. The first one is wires and the second one is a wire cutter. Here the example of wire cutter I have is pliers. Okay, let's go on the procedures. The first one, we will fold our wires to make the front wheel and the handle properly. We have to fold to make the handle and the front wheel. Okay, you have to look closely. We fold to make a handle. A handle, we use our pliers to fold so that we can make a handle. be smooth and make sure there is no edge of a wire because it can cut or you can see I have already made a handle. This is a handle for my toy bicycle. And then we are going to make the front wheel. Let us make the front wheel. We have to bend and make the front wheel. Bend, see closely, and then rotate the wheel. And we have to use our pliers so that we can fold correctly or properly our wires. Have to use pliers. Okay, as you can see, we have already made the front wheel and the handle. We have to see the first step, as we say, is folding the wires to make the handle and the front wheel. Step number 1, we have done it. Then step number 2, we are going to add a seat. We are going to add a seat. We use our pliers to connect. We use our pliers. When we need to fold, we have to make sure to be safe. We will use these pliers. And then fold to make a seat for our toy bicycle. We are going to fold to make a seat. Have to make a seat. When your wire is flexible, you can sometimes fold using your arms, but better use a pliers. And then after finishing, make sure you cut the remaining edge of a wire using your cutter. For example, I have this pliers. Smoothly. And then make sure the edges cannot harm anyone. Okay, as you see, we are done with step number 2 of making a seat. We have already added a seat on our toy bicycle. We have added a seat, and you have to make sure your toy bicycle is strong enough. And then step number 3, we are going to make a frame. You know a bicycle frame? The other that closes like this. We are going to make a frame. Have to make a frame. Okay, you can see here already our frame is already added, but we cannot stop there. We also simultaneously or at the same time make the back wheel. The back wheel, wait, this is the front wheel and we are going to add the back wheel, thank you. We are going to add the back wheel. Add the back wheel. So to make the back wheel, it is the same as the front wheel. We just bend our wires. And then fold to make a circular. Fold. And then after folding, you have to see if your circle is full. Then you do what? You cut the remaining piece of wire. Cut the rest. Here we have to cut using our pair of pliers. And make sure the edges cannot harm anyone. You have to smoothen them. Okay, here you can see that we have our front wheel, our back wheel, and even the frame. Our frame is well added. We have our handle, we have our seat, front wheel and the back wheel. And then step number 4, we have to make pedals. We have to make pedals. We are going to add some pedals to our toy bicycle. So we have to make some pedals. Side and fold to make a pedal like. You can see this is a pedal for one leg. In opposite direction, put another pedal and then we cut smoothly. You can see we already have a pedal. Then we are going to add to our toy bicycle. We add smoothly in the middle. You have to fix the pedal in their right position, one in opposite direction towards another. Okay, and you add pedals you bend using your pair of pliers. Then to make another pedal. Okay, you can see that here we are almost done with the pedals, and make sure your wires cannot harm anyone. Remember to tie them. Have to tie them so that they cannot harm anyone. Okay, at this step you can see that our bicycle is having a seat, a front wheel, a handle, and pedals. Okay, so the last step is to fix a chain and fix what? Fix a carrier. A carrier is where we put our cargoes or where passengers sit in the bicycle. So even our toy bicycle has a carrier. We are going to fix it. For example, we have already made it, and then what we need is only to fix it on our toy bicycle. And after fixing the carrier, we have to fix also a chain. Have to fix a chain on our toy bicycle and ensure everything is well fixed on your toy bicycle. And then fix it tightly. Okay, at this step, you can see that our toy bicycle is having a handle, is having a front wheel, we are having a pedal, we are having a seat, we are having a back wheel, even our carrier, in addition with the chain of our toy bicycle. And by here, we can tell the steps of making a toy bicycle using wires and the wire cutter. Okay, thank you for following, and then I hope that everyone here can repeat what I have said. And let us see who still remember. Okay. Here, in making a toy bicycle by using wires, we have seen some materials. Yes? I hope that you all remember the materials we have seen. Okay, let's go. Who can remind me, or I need someone to remind me the materials we have seen that we can use when making a toy bicycle using wires. What were the materials? Yes, come on, materials. Okay, thank you very much. We have wires. We have what? Wires. But how should be the wires? in which condition are the wires we need to be? Okay, come on. The wires should be soft. Here we can even say, we can better say we need the softy wires. Soft what? Softy wires. Thank you very much. Okay, another material we have seen. Another material is a wire cutter. For example, I have used the pliers. Okay, those were the materials that we can use when making a toy bicycle. And then you are going to remind me the procedures or steps which we have seen when we are making toy bicycle. Let us go with the procedures. Remind me the procedures, please. Procedures. Okay. Come on, procedures. Procedure, the first one, you have to fold wires to make handle and the front wheel. You have to fold wires to make the front wheel. That is step number one or procedure number one. Then number two, we have seen what? We have to add the seat. You can see that on number two, we added a seat to our toy bicycle. Number three is to make the total frame and the back wheel. You can see that we have added our frame and the back wheel. Number four was adding or add pedals. And number five, fix chain and the carrier. Okay, those were the steps we used to make our toy bicycle. And then here we have homework states, make a toy bicycle using wires. My homework is to go and fabricate the toy bicycle by using wires as I did. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your attendance. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you.